Could you say that again?
Go ahead, I mean, a 26-year-old girl getting a child's toy to play with.
But it's not just a child's toy, this toy talks.
It talks?
Yeah, it talks.
What do you mean it talks?
You talk to it, it talks back to you, it moves its mouth. You ask it questions, answers them, I swear.
Really? It moves naturally like a real girl?
Yes, it moves. And it even moves its mouth. Her hair is so beautiful.
Sorry, take the camera. Let me see.
Wait a second. You guys see her hair, right?
They tricked you into talking toy?
Wait a minute, wait. The difference is actually better than her hair.
I swear to God it talks. It's amazing. Wait, let's see.
Wow, how pretty!
Yes, I swear it talks.
Hello? Hello? Hello, wait a moment. Not like that, wait, so it can hear me later.
I will lower my voice if you're moved.